Good evening, everybody. My name is Lufuno, actually with Maidville. And what basically Maidville is about, we actually a household solution. Because as Maidville, we actually identified a gap in the market because as time is progressing, more and more people are actually venturing into entrepreneurship and careers, and people are studying. And as a result, we find ourselves living in a time or in an age where you hardly have time for yourself. You hardly have time for personal time. You wake up in the morning, you're going to work. After work, it's you're hitting the gym. After gym, you have a report that you need to submit at work. And reality is not everyone can afford a full-time maid. And that's what we are about. So as Maidville, we have actually developed a book a maid app, which allows its users to actually book and employ a maid to come to their house to do all the household chores for the day. Are we still together? Like everyone is staring. So basically what happens is, through the app, a person is able to book it, to hire a maid, and that actually varies from someone that's going to clean the house, do the laundry, wash your car outside, actually do the geyser if the geyser is down, fix your fridge if it's down as well. And the business model that we actually employ in this is we actually use a membership base whereby a person can just pay 250 rands per month for the maid or for an assistant to come through twice a month. And another package is for someone to come through once every week to their place. So they just use the app to send through a request to say, hey, please send someone, and the app actually allows you to set a date, set a time, and we send through someone. Thank you.